In this video, I'm going to show you how to add music to your video. So from here, looking at the top here, from the last time we left off, we inserted a photo into our video. Well, right beside that camera icon is a music icon. So just click on that. And when you click on that, you have a list of music tracks that you can select from. Okay, and if you want to listen to what they sound like, you can just click the play button here. Alright, but for this example, let's just select the first song, which is called Payday. Just drag it down here. It's about 1 minute and 48 seconds long, so I'm just gonna cut that to about 5 seconds long only, so that it would only play while that photo shows, because if it plays with the other video, well, there's already audio on that and we don't want that. Okay, so let's just remove most of this song, just make it 5 seconds long or around there. Okay, that's good enough. Oops, it usually takes a couple of attempts, so let me just try again. There you go. Okay, and if you just want to listen to what it sounds like with the video.
That jumped out at me regarding this
Okay, there, so far so good. Alright, great. So that's it for this video, and we'll see you in the next one. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a transition in your video. So the next option here, if you're following the videos, the last video we inserted a soundtrack. So basically the next option here is transition effects. So we just click this option, and there's various designs you can choose from. For this example, let's just choose the heart, and let's just drag that between the image and the video, and by default it lasts about 2 seconds. Okay, so let's go ahead and see how it looks.
regarding this program is how many different methods of traffic generation.
There you go. Alright, so we'll go ahead and we'll see you in the next video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a title screen to your video. Most importantly, I mean, you could also add this to the end of your video with a marketing message. For example, you can say, for more information, go to mywebsite.com. You could also add this message to in between or in the middle of your video. Okay, but for this example, I'm just going to create a title page. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to click on the letter A here, and from here you could choose different options. Let's just choose the first one, which says centered title, and we'll just drag that over to the very beginning. Okay, it lasts about 2 seconds long. So as you can see, it says title text here, and if we want to edit that, we would just click on this image here. I guess you'd you'd have to click on this video camera icon first, and then click on this image again. So there you go. So when you click on that, you have the option here to type in your text, and of course you can also change the look of your text. So for this example, let's just say welcome to Okay, so this is what we typed in. Now it doesn't all fit in the video, so let's just, you could change the size to small. Okay, there you go. So there it fits. And now let's go ahead and just play the video. Okay, so far so good. Alright, so we'll see you in the next video. When you're satisfied with your video, we can now publish the video. So to publish, there's a publish button right here. We're just going to click on that, and it says this video is currently being processed. So basically it's telling us we have to come back to this page in a while when it's finished being processed. Now I find that usually around after 90% it's basically done. So that's when I would just refresh the page. But for now, I'm just going to pause this video and I'm going to come back when it's about 90% complete. Okay, so now it says up here that we are about 90% done. So this is where I would hit refresh, because basically it's usually when it's 90% done, it is complete. So let's just click on the refresh button here and see what happens. Okay, there you go.
Jumped out at me regarding this program is how many different methods of traffic generation are covered. This isn't a system that covers one or two methods.
Alright, so I hope you found this information valuable, and I wish you the best of luck in editing and producing your own videos.